Yesterday I lost it. Was in a blinding rage. And rage, I've come to understand, is synonymous, is linked up with fear. So apparently I was terrified of something. And I let my anger get the best of me. And when I say the best of me, I know that what came out of me wasn't me. It was the voice of fear, and it was ugly, and it was ugly to the people who were around me. And that's not easy to look at. So I got to go back to what I teach. Can we embrace, can we use, can we see value in this conflict in our life? This thing that at times possesses us, and all we can hope for is that maybe I just don't go too far. So I end up like the people that I work with as a visitor with in prison. Inmates and thugs and addicts and gangsters who have had made their choices, and at times when they are consumed by this fear, they don't even have a choice. And they've been imprisoned long before they were even in prison. And so embrace or resist this ugly part of me. Sweep it under the rug, pretend it will never come back again. And as much as I don't wish this rage on my worst enemy, can I at least get curious with it? Can I at least say, okay, I'm not going to focus on the mistake, I'm going to focus on the lesson. And rather than wishing that this part of me wasn't in me, ask myself, why do I still feel this kind of enormous fear? Why do I still act upon this rage? And what can I be doing to grow and to learn from this? How can this serve me for you? Is the thought process. Remember, this has nothing to do with me and everything to do with you. But it has everything to do with me to make it all about you. So if I shift my thinking and think, okay, this rage shouldn't be here, versus how can I use it to help others? How can I use it to be a better teacher, a better storyteller, a better consultant, a better father, a better husband, and a better man altogether? Because there ain't no point kicking my ass, because what's done is done, and yesterday is yesterday, and I get an opportunity to clean it up and be the best guy I get to be, to hopefully make a difference in the lives around me, because it has nothing to do with me. That's the practice.